Hello students, today we are going to solve first problem of aggregate. Question is given as the resistance of an aggregate to wear is known as. Options are impact value, abrasion resistance, shear resistance, and the last one is crushing resistance. Now the resistance of an aggregate to wear is known as abrasion resistance. Los Angeles test for aggregate is made to determine the abrasion resistance. So option B is correct, that is abrasion resistance. That is all about this problem. Thank you very much students.